A late L, but definitely a great L. Sneaker notes. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 6 Carmines, man. Nike on the back. You know I love that, man. What's up, y'all, man? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because you're going to like the video. Trust me. So just hit it right now. Today is a review on the Air Jordan 6 Carmine, which I've probably seen plenty of already. But this one here is from the Snkrs Restock we just got last week. Now, honestly, it was my fault that I didn't buy these on release date. I felt like every legendary Jordan we've been loving all our life that's been coming out in the last 2 years has been GR'd crazy and sitting on shelves. So I didn't do my due diligence and my legwork that I usually do when I really want a sneaker. So that morning I woke up, hit Sneakers app, took the L. I was like, all right, they'll restock in 2 days. They'll restock in 3 days. No restock. I got a little worried, man. I went to StockX. It's like, I don't want to pay $275 for a sneaker. I know it's going to restock. And lo and behold, I went to check to see if I had exclusive access on the Toro 5s. And instead of having exclusive access, these things popped up on the restock. So I want to get into all the reviews. I mean, I hear how they're pinkish, and on first glance, I don't see any of that. But let's get into it, see what we can find. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Good God. Boom. So I do see a lot of little, flaws in the sneaker. But far as the bleeding of the pinkish hair, I don't see any. It's not your whitest of whites, but I don't see any signs of really the burgundy turning pinkish in this area at all. Real quick for the streetwear police. Y'all been killing me in my comments that I'm fully sneakers and I'm not giving y'all the streetwear. So this here is from Kith Monday program. I like this bag, man. I almost ripped it. It's a Ziploc. And this was when? Last Monday. And it was the HBO Sports joint. They gave me exclusive access, so I jumped on it. But to be honest, Kith material is so good that even if they didn't give me exclusive access, I would have woke up Monday morning and tried to get this anyway. So yeah, this is the HBO Sports one, the black one. I went for the black one because I really didn't know. Let me be honest. Sneakers have my body feeling like it's on a time limit. So when something pop across my screen, I feel like I got 2 minutes to check out. And this wasn't the case here. But my body still felt like this. That's just sneakerhead problems, man. Hype beast problems. Let me know in the comment section below when y'all see a link y'all feel like y'all gotta be like the fastest man on earth to check out. But it came in black. They had a white and red one. I think that was HBO Boxing. The one I really should have grabbed, but I went black because you can't go wrong with black, man. And all the Kith things and situations right there. Yeah, man, so streetwear police. I'm here. 2 videos in a row, man. Kith Monday programming. Let me know how y'all feel about this. Now back to the sneakers. I did notice this here. Try to get the camera to pick it up. So I can see here little glue stains there. And this is the left shoe, guys. Little glue stain there. I mean, these things are definitely laced too tight. Look like someone tried them on, but that's not the case. But as far as the left shoe, only that glue stain there is the only thing, which will wipe off with a crepe wipe. Shout out to Crepe. They don't sponsor this video, but I'm a long-time Crepe supporter, man. The Crepe wipes are the best, especially on vacation. But yeah, let's try the right shoe. And looking at the right shoe. Yeah, I thought that was a glue stain, but that's just a little lint that must have came from shipping. And still no bleeding, guys. That thing is white. So to be honest, I never ever owned the Carmine 6s, man. It just wasn't a sneaker that screamed at me. I mean, the Olympics was a sneaker that screamed at me. The 6s don't really scream at me. Of course, I own infrareds, universals. I had them ones with the hair on it that came out All-Star Weekend from one of those collabs in Charlotte. I got rid of those. And I don't know, but the Carmine 6 is like one of those OG Jordans that's like second tier to me. And second tier is not bad because also in the second tier I have the Restock. And the Restock is a dope shoe, man. But again, it's not mentioned OG-ish. So it's like second tier to me. Back to the Carmines. Yeah, man. The sneaker's definitely a keeper. What really made me mad that I didn't win them is when I was like, oh, it even has the Nike Air on the back, man. I was like, Jesus Christ, man. This is my kind of sneaker, man. In that comment section below, let me know if you hit on the restock or if you hit regular or you had to pay resale. I definitely want to hear the stories about that, man. But yeah, just a quick review on the sneakers restock of the Jordan 6 Carmines. You still got shoe tubers out here saying the university ones are going to restock. I have no faith in it. I showed y'all in my last video. I just paid the resale, man. Buy early, buy cheap. Because when them things fly, I'm still looking for Union Jordan 1s at a fair price. 10.5. Got them for about $1,700. Hit me up, man. At Snkrs718 on Instagram. I'll definitely get those off your hand. But if not, I think I'm going to pull the trigger on GOAT. And, because I need them Union 1s, man. Either color. Yeah, man. So thanks for watching, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Restock Jordan 6 Carmines, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? And let me know if you got the pinkish situation going on. Because I want to know, like, is that a Nike thing or is that a factory floor? Is that a grade B? I'm really curious to know, man, from you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get ready. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Good God.